This video is brought to you by Anker. What's up guys, we are back with the latest news. Samsung could do something similar to Apple when it comes to their next generation chips. We'll also take a look at the possible best foldable smartphone right now on the market from Vivo. Plenty of hands-on footage to look at. Let's get right into it. So as we know, all eyes are on Samsung, the future of Exynos chips. Will Samsung quit and let MediaTek control the market for the Asia and European Galaxy S23 models? Well, it seems like no. According to the current up-to-date info coming from some reputable leaksters on the Twitter, currently Samsung has no plans on using the MediaTek flagship processor for their Galaxy S22 Fan Edition and beyond. Another leakster with a good track record says that it won't happen at all. If this is true, then we might not see the MediaTek chips on flagship Samsung phones anytime soon, meaning Samsung will once again rely on Qualcomm and of course their own Exynos chip, which could be the Exynos 2300. Now just today, Business Korea has a very interesting report that says that ARM chip design could be the reason why Android chips have overheating problem. It seems like the heating issue is present in both TSMC and Samsung manufactured Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. It's said that it's not the manufacturer's fault but could be ARM's design. The source from the industry told Business Korea that iPhones don't have overheating issues despite using the same ARM chips design because Apple actually works directly with ARM to fine-tune their chips for iOS, while Android manufacturers like Qualcomm and Samsung, they just use the general version of the ARM design as it is so that it is compatible with different manufacturers. This could actually explain the heating issues that are present in the Snapdragon and the Exynos chips. Maybe in the future, Samsung could actually do the same thing like Apple, work directly with ARM to optimize / fine-tune their chip specifically for their Galaxy S23 flagship phones. This could be what Samsung Mobile had meant when he said that they're gonna design a chip that is specifically made for Galaxy smartphones. Again, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now before we talk about the foldable phones of the dream, guys, my favorite Anker 521 charger Nano Pro is here. Just like the previous model, this thing is very small but now packs double the power with up to 40 watts and comes with 2 USB-C ports. You can fast charge your iPhone 13 and AirPods at the same time, or your Samsung phone and Galaxy Buds at the same time. It can even charge a MacBook Air comfortably thanks to its 40 watt of power. Just look at the size of this thing, it's extremely pocketable, smaller in size than the original Apple charger while offering 2 USB-C ports and delivering much faster 40 watt speed. Anker is the #1 charging brand in the world. I'm a user for a year and I highly recommend getting this new Anker 521 charger Nano Pro. Be sure to check out my special link in the description. These things are selling out really fast, so don't wait. Alrighty, so the Vivo X Fold is now official and this is a proper Galaxy Z Fold 4 challenger. First up, pricing wise, it is $400 cheaper than the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is a crazy price point. It's using the same Samsung ultra thin glass like the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Z Fold 3. It doesn't have the IP rating, but looking at its real life look, the crease and the overall look of the display, it is very much similar to the Z Fold 3. Now looking at the displays, it's got a much better design thanks to a widescreen smartphone-like outer display, which is about 6.53 inches. The inner display comes at 8 inches, again bigger than the Z Fold 3. Both of these displays have 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 Plus technology. Having a wider outer display is the biggest advantage of the Vivo X Fold in comparison to the Z Fold 3 because Samsung's outer screen is just too narrow to use apps like Instagram or Snapchat comfortably. Now Vivo also went all out with the cameras. It's got an impressive main flagship ISOCELL GN5 sensor, which is actually similar to the Galaxy S22. We have a 12 megapixel periscope lens with a 5x optical zoom and up to 60x digital zoom, along with a 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. A very impressive camera system indeed, right on par with the flagship Galaxy S22 series. We also get 66 watt fast charging with 50 watt wireless charging on a 4600 mAh battery. Vivo has also done a great job with software optimization to take advantage of this new folding design, and of course all this is running on the next gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This might be the best fold right now to get when it comes to the price, but the downside is that it's only available in China right now. I gotta say, Samsung, for the love of God, you have to increase that outer screen ratio. This is the only reason why I'm not able to use the Z Fold as my main phone, so I really want Samsung to change the design language of their Fold device, which is again very unlikely to happen with the Z Fold 4. Again, we'll see what happens in the coming months. That's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S23 getting a possible chip that is fine-tuned in collaboration with ARM, and let me know what you think about the Vivo X Fold as well in the comments. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.